I decided to go live this morning. This is rare for me, guys. I'm usually an evening bird, but I have a couple of jobs, and today is just going to be a little while. So I wanted to come and tell you about something that happened yesterday. You know, I always got a story. So I want to tell you about something that happened yesterday. So I'll let YouTube notify a few people. Welcome to those who are going to watch the replay, those who will listen to the podcast. Hope all is well. What is going on in these notary streets? Yeah, I had a situation yesterday, and I was just like over it. I'm gonna share it with you. I want your opinion. And I don't know if this has ever happened to you all. Hey, welcome everybody. I don't know if this has ever happened to y'all, and you may feel my pain. So I had mixed emotions about it. Well, wait another second, and then I'll get into it. Yeah, it kind of bothered me for a minute, and then after a while I was like, you know what, whatever. So let's do it. So yesterday I heard, hey guys, welcome, good morning. A little early for me, right, but I got so many jobs today. I said I got to go live this morning, because if I don't, it's not gonna happen today. And I didn't get to yesterday because the weather was so bad here. My allergies was on 100. And I just had a lot going on with the mentor group, and the people over in our mentor group are progressing, so helping them with their assignments and everything. Pumpkin seed, what's up? I love pumpkin. This is the perfect time of year for it too. So anyway, let's get to the story. Because y'all know I got something happen every day out here in these notary streets, as we like to say. Okay. So anyway, yesterday I'm at FedEx, and I hear this lady says she needs a notary. Well, they don't do notarizations at FedEx. And sometimes they will do like remote online notary, but she couldn't benefit from that. Hey, Carla, what's up? She couldn't benefit from that. So I'm listening. So I hear the girl tell her, well, she's a notary, talking about me. Good morning, everybody. And I was standing at the door, so I was waiting on the lady to ask me about it or whatever. So she had a mortgage document. So typically, as you all know, in my area, I don't leave my home under $50 this year. The whole 2024, I was like, I'm not leaving my house under $50. I used to, my travel fee started at 40. So you got to see what your state says you can charge for travel fee. And I teach you all this in our mentorship program. I have plenty of videos here on the channel. Hey, Notary fam, it's Kimmy. I am here to let you know, just in case you have not heard about the Notary Business Coaching Success Program. We meet weekly. We talk about your notarial duties, how to do an acknowledgement, how to do a jurat, how to administer an oath, everything you've been asking for. And guess what else is included? Unlimited access to all of my trainings that will also include ink fingerprinting, trust/estate documents, learn how to properly execute a trust. Don't forget, we also have the private community, like-minded notaries who have been trained by me. Check out my book that I've written for each state, How to Start Your Notary Business in Alabama, California. You get the point. Wherever you're located, there's a book for your state. Well, hopefully I'll see you soon over in training. Notary Educators, LLC. We got you covered. Bye. But if you want to do a deep dive into your notary business and learn how to really do this thing, like make money, we are your number one mentor program. And I will say it, number one. Anyway, so that being the case, they don't do it. So the lady's at the door, and I'm standing there. I'm hoping she'll say, ask her. So she did. So when she told me again, she had a mortgage document. I'm already at FedEx. So in my world, I'm like, no big deal. I'll do the notarization. I wanted to do it for free because she showed me her document. It was only one page. Okay. Thanks, Carla. Yes, it was only one page. So I said, I can knock this out in 2 seconds. Let me get it done. And then I changed my mind as I was walking to the car. I said, nah, I'm going to charge her something. So I told her it was going to be just $20, just $20. And she was like, okay. So then after the paper is stamped, after I embossed it, hey, Swan, where you been at? Oh, my goodness, long time no see. Yeah, after I made it look all pretty for her, because I even put a little embosser seal on it. And for those who are asking, you don't have to buy the embosser. I just went through this with someone in my mentee group. one of my mentees, you don't have to buy the embosser. I'm a pro. I like things that look pretty. So certain documents, I will put the embossed seal on it, okay? And I just take the gold seal, put it on the document, crimp it, okay? In addition to my regular notary stamp, okay? You always use your ink stamp. That is your official notary seal. The gold seal is like me putting on lipstick. Just make it look pretty, okay? That's what I always say. So you don't have to do that. I want to remind you, you do not have to do that. So anyway, so stamp the paper, make it look all pretty. And what does she say? Can somebody tell me what she says about the price? What did she say? I told her $20. Now and maybe she didn't understand because I told her, I said, well, if they have something they can't do, I work with them, I do it. So maybe she was thinking I was just off the clock for FedEx or something. Oh yeah, I'm getting upset. Girl, I know pumpkin, me too, girl. So what did she say? After it's all stamped and looking pretty. What did she say? You already know what she said, right? She didn't say free Carla, but she was like, I thought it was free. Close enough. But she's like, I thought it was only $10. She said, I could have waited till tomorrow. Now, this was 6 o'clock last night because I was dropping off a package from another job I did. So I call myself doing a girl a favor. And that always go bad for me. And I hate to think like that. I hate to think like that. So she's like, I thought it was only $10. I could have waited till the morning. I told Jeff what I wanted to do is rip up her paper and say, okay, wait till tomorrow. Because she wait till it's all done, all pretty. And she already told me, she said, oh, I don't have any cash. This is when we were walking out the store. I don't have any cash. Maybe I can Zelle you. And I told her, I said, oh, no worries. I said, we're full service because I can take everything. I can take your Zelle. I can take. So I was so angry with her, you know. So anyway, I didn't even say anything. When she questioned the price again, I didn't say anything. I was just waiting on her to get her Zelle together because I had the QR reader. If you don't know, now you can do a QR reader for Zelle. A client taught me that a couple months back. So instead of them having to type out your name, your phone number, your email, and all that, if you have your QR reader, they can just take a picture of it. So what I do as a shortcut is I take my little QR reader thingy from Square and I make now I do this the long way. It might be a shorter way. And I make a contact in my phone like I would anybody else's name, like Sarah Payne or whatever. I make a contact for Zelle and I take a picture of the QR reader. So when people want it, I just go to my contacts, pull up Zelle, and I make it, put it so they can see the QR reader. And then they just click it and it come right to me. It's the best thing since sliced bread if you're not doing that. So I'm all about shortcuts too in your business. So you want to make it easy for your clients to pay you. You want to make it easy. Oh, good. Yeah, that's how to do it. Very good, Swan. Yep, that's what I do. So it may be another way, like I said, it may be a different way you can do it, but that's how I do it. So I'm all about simplicity. I'm all about making sure you are running your business efficiently too. So example, back in the day when they had to type in your name, your phone number, whatever, somebody might say, well, hey, how can I pay you, Zelle and Cash App? I'm like, I'll take Cash App because it was quicker. Okay, because sometimes they want to stand there. I didn't finish your notarization now, and it take you 20 minutes to put my name in Zelle. I don't have time for that. I'm trying to move on to my next client. Okay, so, it just depends on what your preferred method of payment is. Now, if I can get them to do Zelle and they can use the QR reader, let's do it. If not, I do the Cash App, and I don't do instant because people they get pushback. Well, I don't want to do Cash App because I have to pay the fee. Well, you don't have to pay the fee. You can wait and let it come in your account like a day or two later. So that's typically what I do. When I first started Cash App, I was a little unsure. So I was like, give my money right now, like Swan is saying, like, give my money. Yeah, but I was kind of upset with her, and here I'm doing you a favor, and then you go and say that, even if she felt it, and then act like she had a little attitude about it. It didn't phase Jeffrey one way or another. He was just like, whatever. He didn't even like blink. And I did not either because I said I'm not going to argue with her. I wasn't going to give it to her because I put her document under, how we had a table. Actually, we were in Jeff's car. So we have a little table. It's a cute little table. So we took it and I put the document under there and I just finished cleaning up my stuff. I put my stamp up and everything while she trying to act like she want to play around getting Zelle together. So I've never had anyone not pay me. That's about the second time. I told y'all another story. This has been last year. And this guy made me really mad. Jeffrey wasn't home and he had come to the house with his family. He was playing games with me. So I just told him, I think it was like $40 or $50 or something. I gave him a discount again. And then he pulls out like $30 and act like that's all I got. And he said that that's all I got. And I was like, that's not what we agreed to. So he was making me mad because, one, I'm not a child. Okay. I'm not a child. I don't play games about my money. If we agreed to something, that's what we agreed to, you know. And some people think that's funny. When I used to work at the bank, I worked at the bank for 20 years, and people would come in and talk about, this is a hold up, this is a stick up. I don't play games like that. I see nothing funny in that. Nothing. Okay. Sometimes people take joking too far, you know, and y'all know I like to have a good time, but I don't play about certain things. So, especially working in a banking background, you don't come here talking about this is a stick up or this is a hold up.